Let's look at Hurricane Hector, and he continues to grow in size and is strengthening as he continues to track westward. Welcome to another update by the Force 13. National Hurricane Center is reporting that Hector has completed his first eyewall replacement and the eye is growing in size. And here's the latest from the center, and you clearly see the eye of Hector on this satellite still. Located 14.2 degrees north, 133.7 degrees west, about 1460 miles east-southeast of Hilo, Hawaii. Maximum sustained winds 125, gusting 205. Tracking west at 12 miles per hour, central pressure dropping, and at this point in time is 957 millibars. At this point in time, no coastal watches or warnings in effect, and at 2 p.m. here's the latest from the center. The eye Hurricane Hector is located 14.2 degrees north, 133.7 degrees west, and as mentioned, he's moving towards the west. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 125 miles per hour, 205 kilometers an hour with higher gusts. Hector is a category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Short-term fluctuations in intensity likely during the next few days, but is expected to be near major hurricane intensity for the next 2 to 3 days. And here's his current cone. And look at the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. And you can definitely see the Hawaiian Islands will be impacted by Hector when considering the wind. And this is a view of a live stream webcam on one of the Hawaiian Islands. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. And the latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Joint Typhoon Warning Center is saying maximum significant wave height is 33 feet. And I believe that there are a couple of local warnings in place in Hawaii for the waters. I think there's a gale wind warning. And we'll confirm that in a next update. Hurricane Hector's model track guidance. the track, I should say early cycle intensity guidance. Will Hector manage to reach Cat 5 status? That remains to be seen. Here's another look at model intensity, and one indicates a possible mid-range Cat 4 system. And as mentioned, the eye of Hector is growing in size. Sea surface temperature is below 28.5 Celsius. And now we have a look at various models, and caution needs to be applied when viewing non-official weather sources. A large subtropical ridge to the north should steer the hurricane generally westward throughout the forecast period, with gradual gaining of some latitude on Sunday. The upper level divergence, and this is due to a weakness in the ridge. And within 96 hours, most of the guidance shows a more due west motion south of the Hawaiian Islands. A look at the wind shear. It's far too soon to say what sort of impact Hector will bring to the Hawaiian Islands. Here's the latest 24-hour shear tendency, and where Hector is very low wind shear at this point in time, and the 850 millibar vorticity, and we also have a couple of other areas to the east of Hector. We will continue to bring the latest information on Hector and the Westpac. And Force 13 outlets, we operate our own website, currently under reconstruction, YouTube, Facebook, the Twitter platform, and you can get in contact with Nathan, Force 13 on Skype, Phil13 #9094 on Discord.